Welcome to Education Factory, a satirical drama where schools are no longer hubs of creativity and individuality, but rather assembly lines meticulously crafting standardized students, all while the essence of true education is lost amidst the mechanized processes. Meet Principal Gear, the head of Education Factory, who prides himself on producing the most standardized students in the country. Here at Education Factory, we ensure every student is molded, shaped, and polished to fit perfectly into society's expectations. He proclaims, overseeing the assembly line of students being processed. Creative, an old-school teacher who believes in nurturing individuality and creativity among students. But Principal Gear, every child is unique. Shouldn't we encourage them to think outside the box? She questions, gazing at the conveyor belt of students being fitted with metaphorical standardization helmets. However, in the world of Education Factory, there's no room for out-of-the-box thinking. Students are methodically processed, each stripping away a bit more of their individuality and creativity. We follow Sam, a student with a passion for art, as he navigates through the Education Factory. His creativity is seen as a defect to be corrected, and as he moves along the assembly line, his colorful aura slowly dims, replaced by a standardized gray. Parallelly, we see glimpses of a school in another country, the creative nook, where students are encouraged to explore, create, and develop their own thinking. The stark contrast between the two educational environments serves as a poignant commentary on the mechanization and standardization of education. Mrs. Creative, unable to bear the suppression of creativity, begins to secretly conduct imagination classes in the hidden nooks and crannies of the Education Factory, sparking a tiny rebellion of color and creativity amidst the standardized gray. Word spreads, and students begin to malfunction from there. Standardization, as bursts of creativity disrupt the assembly line. Sam reigniting his passion for art. The climax unfolds as the colorful rebellion disrupts the Education Factory, causing a system breakdown. Principal Gear watches in disbelief as students break free from their standardization helmets, exploring their individuality amidst the chaos. Education Factory ends with a powerful image of the gray factory being transformed into a vibrant hub of creativity. As Mrs. Creative takes the helm, turning the assembly line into a canvas of possibilities. It serves as a satirical yet hopeful commentary on the importance of nurturing creativity and individuality in education, prompting viewers to question, are we molding students for the future? Or are we merely manufacturing standardized prototypes?